Very cool.
You look like a wealthy Toronto grandmother.
Well, with Buns you can be. I just built this whole couch all by myself.
Oh, did you?
Hi guys, and welcome to this video, and welcome to... Why are you looking at me like
I'm
that?
smiling.
Welcome to a new setting. I'm not gonna talk too much about this today because that's not the focus of this video. We'll talk about that very soon, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Today, we're doing something that I am genuinely so freaking excited for, because this rack back here and these little goodies in my hands were all technically free that I acquired from other human beings here in Toronto just this weekend. You guys are probably wondering, how does that happen? Did you rob someone, Sarah? Like, why would you? Yeah, I did. So today's video is actually sponsored by a really cool app that I just discovered called Buns. They're actually based out of Toronto, so I'd heard about them like way long ago before I got into like sustainability and buying secondhand. But now that I have this new space and I'm trying to like get rid of things and get new things, it is actually perfect for my lifestyle. So I'm gonna throw up a little split screen right here so you guys can follow along, because if you wanna get free things, there's no like catch. You guys can get good things too, and probably even better things than I got, because I was on a little bit of a time crunch. So all you need to do is download Buns. It's gonna be linked down below. Have a link for you guys. So essentially, Buns is a trading app. There's no currency involved, absolutely no money. So when you're listing something on your Buns account, you're gonna be putting it out there to get something in return, just no money. As you guys will see here on my account, I have a couple of things left. I actually posted about like 10 things before the weekend, and I've gotten rid of quite a few of them. The listing process is super easy, and then you just wait until someone likes your stuff or makes you an offer. So this little thing right here, the ISO list, is really helpful, because this is gonna be your list, kind of like a checklist of things that you're looking for. A couple examples on my ISO list are
Reformation, Aritzia, vintage designer, full-length mirror, velvet chair, Nike, Levi's, vintage t-shirts, Tiffany, tag necklace, clothing rack, Valley Village, Salvation Army, Toulouse, gift cards.
So a little bit of like me in a nutshell. Buns is available in every major city in Canada, which is absolutely incredible. So you guys can go download it and start using it immediately. And if Buns is actually not available in your city yet, you can still download the app, start posting to it and inviting friends, and that's gonna let Buns know that there's interest in your city. So it's really important to do if you guys wanna get good things. Let's just get into the haul. Encounter was very seamless. I actually found this girl that was doing like little bundles. I saw these 3 stunning polos that were actually men's polos in a size medium, but you can already tell I took some scissors to them and did what I do best. She was actually interested in 3 of the makeup products that I had up there. Met her at a subway station, and these 3 tops were mine. And you know what's kind of weird? They almost kind of smell like sherbet, and they look like sherbet. Maybe it's like on my head, but honestly, can't complain. Come here and tell me this does not smell like your creamsicle.
Like what?
A creamsicle.
It looks like one.
Smell it.
It smells like someone named Ruth.
My next exchange was another 3-item deal. So this girl just actually happened to want bits, so I had some bits luckily, and I sent them on over to her after I met up with her. But Buns has recently come out with something called bits, which is actually their own form of currency. So the way that you earn bits is by A, joining the app with the link down below. I believe you get 100 free bits. So you can use your bits to get things that you just want on the Buns app, or you can actually use them at local stores in your area, which I think is really cool. So the first item that I was really interested in was this Aritzia Wilfred sweater in a size medium, so just my size. And guys, I was actually at Yorkdale the day after that I met up with her. Walked into Wilfred. I usually don't buy things full price there, and this sweater is brand new, sitting on one of their front tables.
Bruh.
But from the looks of her profile, she was just someone that shops a lot. Can relate. Got this, which I am super happy about. Glad I didn't spend $100 on it, because it's already up there in the world. This black Urban Outfitters hoodie, which I honestly just really like the front of it. It's plain black, and then it says loud, fast rules on the back. And then she actually had a bunch of pairs of brand new earrings. So I picked these ones up because I thought they were super cute. They're just very on trend, and essentially they were just a couple of bits. So obsessed with everything I got from her. Later that day, I actually did another bits transaction, I guess you could call it. Going to get myself a Prada bag for free. And I acquired this lovely, apparently faux Prada bag. It looks pretty darn real to me, and you guys know if you watch my videos that I'm not super particular about my designer pieces. I just like things that are good quality, and certain styles really catch my eye from like the 90s, early 2000s these days. I just love that Prada makes nylon bags because I'm kind of a messy person, and I kind of live here in Toronto where it snows and the weather is just like all over the place. So having this bag that actually zips up and is a kind of water resistant material was very appealing to me. I'm obsessed with this. No one needs to know that it's fake, and I don't even care if they do know. You guys know, whatever, but I can't wait to start using this. The last clothing exchange that I have here, I actually went on this girl's profile, and you could just kind of tell by the vibe of her buns that she was like a vintage buyer and reseller. So immediately I saw like everything was appealing to me, but I decided to go with 3 items because I want to save some for like you guys, you know? And what I actually did with this was, on her ISO list, I thought she was looking for some studio lights, and I actually happen to have some that I just genuinely never use. So we did the thing, we met up, we exchanged, we got some clothes in exchange for the lights, which I am super happy about, because those lights were literally just taking up space in my room. So she had fire items. First one being soupy items. This really cute 90s straight across fluffy trim dress. Just can't say enough good things about that. I've been super into this blue color, so when I saw this cardigan, I was immediately exchanged. I was gonna say sold, but there was no money. And then the last item is amazing. I'm so surprised she was getting rid of these. They're just these Tommy Hilfiger overalls, and I've actually never found a pair of overalls that fit me. So hopefully these ones fit. I haven't tried this stuff on yet. And she actually even threw in a free pair of sunnies. These are not my style. Maybe they are Chorky style, but really nice of her. Great gal.
Cool. These are like goggles.
Yeah. Yeah, they actually probably look better on you.
No, I highly doubt that.
What can you trade me those for?
I will trade you a Campbell's chunky chicken soup in exchange for these goggles and a hug.
Sounds soupy to me. This last thing that I traded a Majuri necklace for, 2 movie tickets, $25 left on a Sephora gift card, and some spray sunscreen. I don't know why that came out so weird. I got this item that has been on my thrift wish list, actually. You guys know that. On my wish list, I've had this Y2K Tiffany's dog tag necklace. I actually thought I wanted the heart one, but to be honest, I'm actually so glad that I went with just like the normal dog tag, because I think it's more my style, it's more everyday. It's kind of chokerish, but not like extreme, and I'm just so excited to have this. The girl honestly just seemed like she got it a long time ago and it wasn't her style anymore, so traded her off, and I got me this in exchange. And these are actually selling these are actually selling for a lot on Depop and stuff like that, so the fact that I didn't have to go out and purchase it or buy it new, do they even sell these new? I don't know. The fact that I could trade for it was incredible. I'm so happy. Literally, how is this real? It's real. Let's get into the outfits that I'm gonna style you guys that were 100% free. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and download Buns ASAP because there's great-ish out there. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Mwah. Ta-ta. welcome to the kitchen. So we try to be on the other side. Light. We interrupt this very cool video for a little segment of how to list your previous tenants' shit on Buns. We actually just moved into this place and we were left with some lovely little presents. I am going to open up Buns, click on this little plus guy right here. We're gonna take a photo. We got the natural light from the window right here. Boom. We are a photographer. We are awesome. Add more photos, always a good option. You know, get those details in there. I'm gonna title this post, Small Little Cute Table Lamp. Definitely don't need to add that many adjectives. Describe your post, works well, nothing much more to it, you know? Don't have Wi-Fi yet. And there she is. We also got a full set of cutlery from Judy, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Ta-da!